In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics and user stories in Jira. In the world of project management and software development, using Jira effectively can make a significant difference in how you manage tasks and track progress. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just starting out, this guide will help you create and manage both epics and user stories, which are crucial elements in the Agile framework. To begin, the first step is to navigate to your Jira homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your projects and initiatives. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Projects tab. It's typically found on the left side of your screen. Click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all the projects you have access to. Select the project you wish to work with by simply clicking on its name. Now let's jump into creating an epic. Epics serve as large bodies of work that can be broken down into a number of smaller tasks known as user stories. Start by clicking on the Create button, which you'll find in the global navigation bar at the top. This brings up the creation screen. From here, you'll need to specify the issue type. Open the drop-down menu and select Epic as your issue type. This is where your epic creation journey begins. Next, fill in the important details. Enter the name of your epic, a brief summary, and any other relevant information that is necessary for clarity. Providing clear and concise information here is vital, as this sets the stage for all the user stories and tasks that will align under this epic. Once you're satisfied with your input, go ahead and click Create. At this point, your newly created epic will be added to the backlog. The backlog is where you'll see all the tasks waiting to be planned and worked on. From here, you can further plan and break down your epic into user stories. Let's move on to creating a user story. Just like before, click on the Create button in the global navigation bar. Once you're on the creation page, choose Story as your issue type from the drop-down. User stories are smaller, more manageable tasks that stem from your main epic and define specific functionalities or features. Enter the user story summary. This should be a brief depiction of what the story entails. Additionally, you'll need to include a description and any other pertinent information to ensure clarity and comprehensiveness. After entering all necessary details, hit Create. The user story you've created will now join the ranks in the backlog, poised for action in upcoming sprints. Your sprint planning and execution stages are where these user stories come to life, but having them well defined in your Jira backlog is the first step in realizing successful project management. And there you have it. You now know how to create both epics and user stories in Jira, setting up a strong foundation for agile project management. Remember, the key is to keep your input clear and aligned with your project goals, ensuring smooth execution down the line.